emergency boost, where the pilot can hit a button and get an extra 300 horsepower. This was useful for escaping enemies and also for takeoff. So here it was. The boost cut out after that. Pull that and you get an extra 300 horsepower. Problem is, have we broken our existing support wire, and what can we do? These are not questions really for my generation, but are more ethical considerations for your generation to solve. We're pushing natural systems really hard. It's unknown whether or not we're blowing out the Earth's engine. There's no extra 300 horsepower boost available for us. So you can think about whose job it is to tell and whether or not anyone is going to listen. So I'm going to close with this analogy. When we think about, from Locke Rose lectures, the issue of antagonistic applied children, where natural selection favored alleles with short-term gains, even when there were long-term costs. These might be in terms of senescence, aging, or shorter lifespan. These lead to bodies that senesce and die. We know human political and economic processes favor short-term gains, even if there are long-term costs. The challenge there is, how do we change the structure of society to avoid the long sort of analog, senescence and withering of this exquisite technological support system we built on top of the Earth's resources and available energy? The one optimistic note I can leave you on with this is that natural selection, in favoring alleles that might have long-term costs, is not forward-looking. It can't take future costs into account. Humans, and particularly human imagination and education and what people know about the consequences of their action, basically in principle can. So as a consequence, it's going to be essentially your generation that's going to have to solve these problems. Thank you. Good luck on your exam.